Hello, it's Katherine Condon, and I am delivering a PD today about reading with PALS in our kindergarten classes. PALS is an approach to teaching children important reading skills. It complements our existing reading curriculum by providing research-validated learning strategies through peer-mediated instruction. This is important because according to our assessments from the CBAs and Math Growth, as you know, our scholars still need support in letter-sound correspondences, sight word recognition, and blending. PALS will help us achieve those reading milestones and provide a foundation where our students can grow as literate beings. In front of you, there should be the PALS script, a page where you can take notes, and PALS lessons. We will begin with an activity. You will watch this short video of PALS in kindergarten in action. I will give you a couple of minutes to watch the film. And while you are watching this video, please think of these questions. What do you notice about the students? What do you notice about the partnership between the students? What could be the benefits for having a peer-mediated program? And what is the teacher's role? So please pause me while you watch the film. Perfect. Now I want you to pause me for another 2 minutes and talk with the teachers around you and discuss these questions. Please pause me now. Perfect. Welcome back. So let's talk about the structure of PALS. So K-PALS sessions last between 20 to 30 minutes and are conducted minimally 3 times a week. There are 2 types of activities, sound play and sound and words. This PD will focus on the sound and words activities. There are 4 activities. What sound, what word, sound boxes, and reading sentences and books. The sound play activities will be conducted in whole group instruction. The teacher teaches the sound and words lesson where a new sound is introduced. The student pairs complete the sound and words lesson. So sound and words focuses on decoding. The first activity in sounds and words is what sound. That practices letter sounds. For each lesson, individual target sounds appear in a box with a key picture that has been introduced by the teacher. The coach of the pair points to each letter and asks, "What sound?" The reader responds. The coach praises the reader at each star. If the reader makes a mistake, the coach corrects the error by saying, "Stop, the sound is..." What sound? Do not fret about what the coach will say. It is in the handout in front of you. I do want you to pause me for 30 seconds and reflect with the people around you. Why is it important for the coach to praise their partner at each star? And why is it important to get automatic corrective feedback in the event that they missed a sound? Please pause me now and I'll see you in 30 seconds. Perfect. Welcome back. Now, the next section is what word. It focuses on sight word recognition. The coach points to the sight word on the lesson page and asks, "What word?" And the reader responds. Corrective feedback is promptly given if the reader gets a word wrong. They say, "Stop. That word is..." What word? Read the line again. I want you to pause for 1 minute and reflect with those around you why it is important for students to receive this intense multiple exposure of these sight words. And do you think there is a reason that the students see these sight words in isolation before seeing them in connected text? Please pause now, and I will see you back in about 30 seconds to a minute. Welcome back. Now, our last two activities, sound boxes and reading sentences in books, are part of the same activity. Decodable words that can be sounded out is in a sound box. The coach says, read it slowly. The reader says the letter sounds slowly as they touch the individual sound boxes. The coach then says, sing it and read it. Lessons build cumulatively to incorporate more words within a given word family. As vowels are introduced, students decode words that combine all learned vowels and consonants. Sentences contain decodable words and sight words that students have practiced during sentence reading. The coach says, read the sentences, and the reader points to each word as he or she reads. Books are selected by the teacher and should contain decodable words, as well as sight words that the students have already learned. The coach reads first, stopping at the end of each sentence, then the reader reads the same sentences. The process continues to the end of the book. I would like you to pause me for 1 minute and discuss with the people around you. How are these activities systematic? I will see you in 30 seconds to 1 minute. Perfect. Welcome back. Now it's your turn. In front of you, you have two lessons in front of you. Lesson 7 and Lesson 37. With a partner, I want you to designate one of you as a coach and the other as a reader, and practice this model as if you were the students. Please make a mistake for your partner to practice the automatic corrective response that you will be able to see on the script provided. You can pause me now and you can do the activity. Well, that is the end of our PD. I hope you have learned more about PALS in kindergarten and what it may look like. And here are the references. Thank you for coming, and I will see you next time. Bye.